We're doing a bathroom remodel. We found the dry rot. Dry rot was found in the left corner at the top. The dry rot damage that we have here is floor joists that we can see from here that we need to change more than 6 feet. That requires to go from one point to the other point, and partially this wall, including drywall repair in the laundry room, and of course, remodel completed here.
Dry rot in a bathroom almost always starts the same way. A failed caulk line, a crack in the grout, water you never see. That water doesn't dry out. It works down through the tile and the mortar into the subfloor, and it sits on top of the joist. Wet wood with no airflow becomes food. A fungus takes hold and eats the cellulose right out of the grain. The wood loses its strength from the inside. It looks dry and it crumbles in your hand. That's where the name comes from. And all of this happens sealed inside your floor. The tile on top still looks perfect. There's nothing to see at a walkthrough. By the time it's visible, it's structural. Joists and framing have to be replaced to code. You can't patch it.
While we're doing our first consultation, we always look for any signs of damage. For example, as you know, sometimes there is damage, the vanity damage, baseboard damage, or around the top. In this particular case, there was none. I mean, it was all clear, clean. Like there was no signs of any dry rot or mold around the area. We'll only discover what we see, this dry rot, after we demolish everything and took away, as you can see right now. So up to this point, we could not see anything. This means that our original price and estimate is changing, and it's going to be extra charge for replacement and removal in fixing it proper way. So we're just in the beginning of this progress, but this type of damages could cost between $2,500 up to $8,000, and sometimes even more. It all depends, but particular bathroom, I would say roughly about $4,000 to replace everything that needs to be done and completed here. Damage like this, I would never recommend to hide it or avoid fixing it because it's a structural issue. We have a floor joist and we have a wall. The wall, some contractors that patch. In this particular moment, we have to replace half of the wall basically in order to comply with codes.